once again is on. This is Rico Holland, the Mindset Mogul, and I'm coming to you real quick. And if you want to be successful for the rest of your life, listen up, because I'm going to give you one principle that can absolutely change your life if you will allow it to. Listen, why compete when you can create? That's a principle, guys. Why compete when you can create? Wallace D. Wattles, the author of the book, The Science of Getting Rich, says that too many people spend their lives on the competition plane, meaning they're always trying to compete with a competitor or trying to compete with someone else who may be in their space or in their particular niche market. Well, the deal here is, guys, is that when you are a person who's creative, you understand that it's not about competition. As a matter of fact, when you are creative, you don't even notice the competition. Did you hear me? A lot of the times, guys, what we really should be focusing on instead of competing is we should be focusing on creating collaborative relationships, meaning you should be connecting with people who may not necessarily be in your niche market. They may be in another niche, but you can help one another. See, we're living in a time now, guys, where it's about strategic alliances more than it is about competing. Competition is over. You will not make it in this market trying to compete. There's some of everything out there. You've got to learn how to create the right relationships with the right type of people in a collaborative, consumptive way so that each party has something to gain. Therefore, they're bringing value to the table. They have a reason or an incentive to bring that value to the table. All right? So, again, why compete when you can create? Find somebody that you can connect with, find somebody that you can create with, and create the type of relationship, the type of alliance where both of you or all of you has something in it to gain. All right? This is Rico Holland, the Mindset Mogul, and I'm just reminding you guys, work on your mindset. Because when you work on your mindset, you're guaranteed to set your life up for massive success. You want to connect with me, subscribe to my channel. Also, there'll be a form below this video where you can actually fill out that form, send me an email, and I'll follow up with you. All right? God bless. Take care.